Hi everyone, this is Krishna Ram Maths IIT faculty. Today we have to discuss permutation and combination worksheet first 25 questions. See here, first question, how many strings length 6 can be formed using letters of the word F, L, O, W, E, R, flower, if either start with F or ends with R. Listen, this one, see here, option 4 options has given, which one is correct, we have to check here. Here, how many strings length 6? Here total, this flower, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters are there. Here first one is, it is using the letters of the word. Here either start with F. Here start with F means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means here it is started with F means remaining 5 blanks. Here 5 factorial. 5 factorial is equal to 120. Next here second one is R. Ends with R. Ends with R means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ends with R. Then here also 5 blanks are there. We can fill the 5 factorial. This is 120. Next here F and R. Both here some words are there. Here F. Started F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here ending with R. This is also including in this 2. Okay, if it is end with R means it will start with R, F also there, and at the same time here F it will start with F, then it is also end with R also there. That's why that common here 4 factorial you have to subtract. Here 4 factorial is equal to how much? 24. Now 120 plus 120, 240 minus 24 is equal to 6. Here 3 minus 1, 1, here 216. This is the correct answer. Note down. Now second question, count the number of positive integers greater than 7,000 and less than 8,000 which are divisible by 5 provided that no digits are repeated. No digits are repeated. Here see here this is a 4-digit number. 4-digit number. It is greater than 7. Then you have to take first one is 7. Fixed. Next which is divisible by 5. 5 which is divisible by 5 means here unit digit is either 0 or 5 only possible. See here, it is greater than 7 means you have to take here 7 compulsory. Then thereafter, see here, you have to fix here one number, here any one number you have to fix. Then 2 numbers already fixed. Here total how many digits? 0 to 9. 0 to 9, total 10 digits are there. Already we fixed 2 digits. Remaining how many digits are there? 8 digits. Here 8 digits, no repetition means here this is 8 ways you have to fill this blank. Next after one letter we have to fix here, one number we have to fix here. Thereafter here 7, remaining 7. Then here this one is here 2 ways. Then 7 into 8 into 7 into 2. 8 7s are 56. 56 into 2, 112. 112. This is second option. Note. Okay, next question, third one. How many 4-digit even numbers can be found using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 if repetition of the digits not permitted? See here 4-digit number. 4-digit number means here even number. Even number means here unit digit is either 0 or 2 or 4. But here total how many digits are there? Total 5 digits. 5 digits means 4-digit number means here 0 is possible or it is not possible. Then here 0 is not possible means remaining how many digits are there? 4. This is we have to fill 4 ways. Then this is actually first you have to take here 0. Here 0 is not possible means you have to take here 0. Then here 3 ways. This is 2 ways. This is 1. Here unit digit 0 means here 2 into 3 6. 6 4 the 24 ways this is possible. Again one more you have to take here. Here even number here 0 first case and second case you have to take here either 2 or 4 any one number you have to take here fix it. Then here 1 fixed means here remaining how many digits are there? Here 3 digits are there. 3 digits this is 3. 3 ways. Okay. Actually here also 0 is not possible. That's why here 3 ways. Then this is also 3 ways. This is 2 ways. And this is also 2 ways. Understand? Actually here first one is 0 is fixed. Thereafter how many digits are there? 4 digits. In this 4 digits here 0 is not possible. Then remaining 3 digits. Then here 0 is allowed. That's why remaining is 3 is possible. And here 2 and this is anyone here means here 2. Then 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. Total 3 3s are 9. 9 4s are 36. Then 24 plus 36. 24 plus 36 is equal to 60 ways. 60 ways. Note down. Next question, the last digit of 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial up to so on 2005 factorial whole to the power of 400. See here 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial plus up to so on 2005 factorial. Here whole to the power of 400. First you have to write these values 1 plus 2 factorial 2 3 factorial 2 into 3 6 4 factorial 24 and 5 factorial 120 and 6 factorial was 720. Thereafter see here 5 factorial inverse you have to take means here unit digit is 0 compulsory. Then here this is 4 plus 6 10 10 plus 2 12 12 plus 1 13 13 means here 3 3 plus 2 33 33 plus 120 plus up to so on this value. See here this is unit digit is 0. Next one is 720. You have to take any factorial after 4 factorial means that is unit is digit is 0. That's why here this is a unit digit 3 plus 0 3 then 3 to the power of 400. 3 to the power of 400 is here 3 into 4 into 100 plus here 0. That means 3 power 0 is equal to 1. 3 power 0 is equal to 1 or otherwise we can write here 3 power 99 plus here 3 power 4 3 power 4 then 3 power 4 also again it is also 81 then the unit digit is 1. This is the answer. Okay, next question is how many 4 digit numbers can be found using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 without repetition such that even places are occupied by even numbers and odd places occupied by odd numbers. See here this is how many digits? 4 digits 1, 2, 3 and 4. See here this is from right to left this is even 1 this is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 means this is odd 1 2 3 4 odd even odd even. See here odd numbers are how many odd numbers are there? 1 3 here 2 numbers. Even numbers 0 2 4 here this is 3 even numbers. Here odd number total 1 3 we have to fix here that is 2 ways. Next here second one is even number 2 0 2 4 this is 3 ways. Here one odd number you have to fix it. Thereafter how many odd numbers are there? Only 1 is there remaining. This is one way. Next even numbers already here 3 numbers 1 number you have to fix it means here remaining 2 numbers are there. Now total is equal to 2 into 3 6 6 2s are 12. Our answer is 12. Note down. Next question is words are created by arranging letters of the word TABLE and arranging the alphabetical. Then what is the position of the word table? See here given word TABLE. Table we can this is write as 5 factorial. See here actually we have to write this one is in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means ABELT. ABELT. Now it is started with the A letter means 1 2 3 4 4 factorial. This is 4 factorial is equal to 24. Again it is started with B. B means 1 2 3 4 here 4 factorial again it is 24. Next one is E letter E 1 2 3 4 it is 4 factorial is possible 24. Next letter is L 1 2 3 4 this is also 4 factorial is 24. Now next letter is T. T means here T next letter is A. TA next letter B. TAB according to next E. E TAB TABEL. This is a 1 factorial. Next one is TABLE. This is total 2 factorial is equal to total. This is 24 into 4 96 plus 2 98. 98. Here options are not given. This is answer is 98. Next one is how many 3 digit numbers can be found using the digit 4, 1, 3 and 3. See here here 4 digit has given, but we have to make the 3 digit number. 3 digit number means here total how many digits has given? 4 digits is 4 factorial. Then how many repetitions has given? Repetition number is 2. 2 digits means here this is 2 factorial. Then 4 factorial is 24 by 2 is equal to 12 answer. Here actually formula P plus Q plus R plus S by here P factorial and Q factorial. Here how many digits are repetition? That one you can write here. Here total 4 P plus Q plus R plus S. Okay, otherwise no need this one. Simply have to take here total how many digits, that is 4 factorial by how many repetitions are given, that is the answer. Okay, next 8th question. How many words can be created by rearranging the letters of the word permutations? Here this one is also same type of problem. Permutations PERMUTATION permutation 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Total 11 letters can be write as 11 factorial. And here how many repetition letters are there, you have to check here. This is T is there. T is one letter. T is how many times? 2 times. Next one is no, nothing is there. Then here 11 factorial by 2 factorial. This is the answer. 11 factorial by 2 factorial. First one option. Note down. Next question. If an insert wants to travel from point A to point B on the net in the shortest possible path, then how many paths are possible? See here this is here one insert is there. It will travel this like 1 2 3 4 5 after 1 2 3. This is also one way. Next that path is 1. Here this is 2 3 4 5. Again it is okay, horizontal lines you have to check it is here. Horizontal lines is 5. You can take here also 1, then 2, here 3, here 4, then this is 5. Next you can take straight 5. You can take this like and this like also 5. You have to go anyway also 5 ways are there. Here vertical lines you have to check here. This is a 1, here 2, here 2, here 3. Then here how many are there? Vertical lines 3. Total how many lines are there? 8. 8 lines means here total 8 factorial by here repetition is there 5 factorial into 3 factorial. This is second option. Next problem, find the number of ways to arrange the 5 boys and 5 girls in a row such that the number of 2 girls sit together. Wait 1 minute. Here find the number of ways arrange 5 boys and 5 girls in a row such that no 2 girls sit together. Means here 1, here 1 boy, here another boy, here one more boy, here next here this is girl. You can place the girls in between the boys, or otherwise here boys, here girls. That like also you have to arrange here girls, here boys. Okay, girl 2 and girl 3 and girl 4, girl 5. Here boy 1, boy 2, boy 3, boy 4, boy 5. This like also boy 5 also. Okay, see here. Anyway, see here total how many places are there? Here out of 6 places, 1 2 3 4 5 6 places we have to arrange 5 members. Then total 6 permutations. Here 6p 5 ways. Total 6p 5 ways. This is second one. Next problem, let n denote the number of days if the value of n factorial is equal to the total number of hours in n days, then find the value of n. It is also very easy question already. Here has given the value of n factorial equal to the total number of hours in n days into 1 day how many hours? 24 hours. Then this n factorial is write as n into n minus 1 factorial. This one is n into this is 24 is write as 4 factorial. Here n cancel. Here n minus 1 factorial is equal to this one is write as 5 minus 1 factorial. Then n is equal to comparison the terms, n is equal to 5, and n is equal to 5. Put down. See here, next 12th question. There are 15 candidates for the examination. 7 candidates are appearing for the mathematics examination, while the remaining 8 are appearing for different subjects. In how many ways can this be seated in a row so that no two mathematics candidates are together? See here, already I gave one formula here. 2 different subjects has given means 2. They are also not sitting together means here one formula has given m into m plus 1 PR. See here, how many members? Here is 7 members appearing for mathematics examination. Remaining how many members? 8 members. That 8 members, in between the 7 members, we have to give the seated. Here 8 into 8 plus 1 factorial. Here m factorial into m plus 1 factorial. Here PR. Then here 8 factorial into 8 plus 1 by here PR is equal to how many? Here 2 factorial. Here 2 members also not sitting. Then 8 factorial into 8 plus 1, 9 factorial by 2 factorial. That means here, see here we can write here separate m factorial into m plus 1 factorial PR. Then this is a n factorial into here 8 plus 1, 9 factorial by here PR is equal to 2 factorial. This is R factor. R means here 2 members also. This is the answer. Option is 4th one. Note down. Next question, if the different permutations of the letter, the word BHA, SKA or a Bhaskara are listed as the dictionary, how many strings are there in this list before the first word starting with B? See here, A, next one is B, next one is H, next one A, B, H, next K, or S. This is the dictionary. Then total how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 7 is 7 factorial. It is started with a B also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters. 1, 2, 4, 7 letters. 7 factorial by total how many letters? Repetition 2 letters. That is 2 factorial. Then you can write here second one. See here, you have to keep in mind this is not starting with B. Here one condition has been list before the first word of starting with B means it is started with A. A means here total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 factorial by total repetition is 2 factorial. This is the correct. A letter log contains 5 rings, each marked with the 4 different letters, the number of all possible unsuccessful attempts to open the log. Here already I gave one formula m, total number of trials is m for n. Here m is equal to here 4, n is equal to 5. Then here total is 4 to the power of 5. 4 to the power of 5 is rewrite as 2 to the power 2 square whole power 5. Then 2 power 10. 2 power 10 means 1024. But see here total number of ways is 1024 ways. Here unsuccessful, all the possible unsuccessful attempts. Here one is one correct number is there. That correct number you have to choose means it will open the log. That one is success you have to subtract means remaining all are unsuccess is 1023. This is the fourth one. Next question, 15th one. If NP7 is equal to 42 into NP5, then find the value of N. See here NP7 is equal to 42 into NP5. Here NP7 is write as n factorial by n minus 7 factorial. Here 42 into, this is also write as n factorial by n minus 5 factorial. Here n factorial cancel. Then this is write as 1 by n minus 7 factorial is equal to 42 by, this one is write as n minus 5 into n minus 6 into n minus 7 factorial. This n minus 7 factorial cancel, cross multiply. N minus 5 into n minus 6 is equal to 42. Again this is rewrite as n minus 5 into n minus 6. This is write as 6 into 7. 6 into 7. Then how to write here? 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. 12 minus 7 is equal to here 12 minus 6 into 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Then this is a comparison, or otherwise you have to multiply and factorize either side. Here n comparison means here n is equal to how much? 12. N is equal to 12. This is the answer. Then which option? This is the fourth option. Next question, 16th one. If 2n plus 1 Pn minus 1 is to 2n minus 1 Pn is equal to 3 is to 5, then find the value of n. See here, first one 2n plus 1 Pn minus 1 is to 2n minus 1 Pn is equal to 3 is to 5. You have to write here. This one is write as npr, n factorial by n minus r factorial. Then 2n plus 1 factorial by here 2n plus 1 minus here n minus 1 means minus n plus 1 factorial. Here this is you have to write here a denominator. This one means here directly you have to write here 2n minus here denominator is 2n minus 1 factorial by this is going to numerator means 2n minus 1 minus n factorial is equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Now see here. Now 2n plus 1 factorial by this is 2n minus n here 1 plus 1 2 n plus 2 factorial into this is n 2n minus n is equal to n minus 1 factorial by here 2n minus 1 factorial is equal to 3 by 5. Then this one simplify. Then how to write here? This one is write as 2n plus 1 into 2n into 2n minus 1 factorial you have to write here. Here denominator is write as n plus 2 into n plus 1 into n into n minus 1 factorial you have to write. Then here n minus 1 factorial by 2n minus 1 factorial is equal to 3 by 5. Here n minus 1 factorial, here n minus 1 factorial cancel. Here 2n minus 1 factorial, 2n minus 1 factorial cancel. Now you have to simplify here. See. Here 2n into 2n plus 1. Here 4n square plus 2 into 2. 2 1 2n into this is 5. 5 is equal to here n into here n into n square or n here n square n into n square plus 3n plus 2 into this is 1n into 3n you can write here 3n. Now you have to multiply it by 5 into 4 20 n square plus 5 2s are 10 n. Next here 3 these terms also send this side minus 3 n cube 3n cube. Next here minus 9n square minus 6n is equal to 0. Now see here we have to take n common then 20 or otherwise first you have to write here minus 3n cube. Next 20 minus 9 plus 11n square. Here 10 minus 6 is equal to 4n is equal to 0. Now you have to take n minus n you have to take here 3n square minus 11n minus 4 is equal to 0. Then 3n square minus 11n minus 4 is equal to 0. Here 3 4s are 12. 3n square minus 12n plus n minus 4 is equal to 0. In these two terms you have to take common 3n. Here n minus 4 here plus 1 common n minus 4 is equal to 0. Now this is write as n minus 4 into 3n plus 1 is equal to 0. Here 3n plus 1 is equal to 0 means n is equal to minus 1 by 3. This is not possible. Here n always positive integer only. Here n is equal to 4. N is equal to 4. This is the first option. Next problem, if 15p8 is equal to a plus 8 into 14p7. Actually 15p8 is write as 14 plus 1p8. We know that one formula n plus 1 pr is equal to npr plus r into r into npr minus 1. We know that this formula n plus 1 pr is equal to npr plus r into npr minus 1. Now we have to write here 14 plus 1 pr is right as here n means here 14 pr plus r is equal to how much here 8 into 14 p r means here 8 minus 1. Again you have to rewrite as 14 pr plus 8 into 14 p 7. Now we have to comparison given equation. This one is here 15 p 8. This is a 14 plus 1 15 p 8 is equal to 14 pr. This is a. Then 8 into 14 p 7. Then what is the value of here a is equal to 14 p, here r is equal to 8. You have to write here 8. Then which option? Second option. Note. Okay, next question, 18th one. 9 balls are to be placed in 9 boxes and 5 of the balls cannot fit into 3 small boxes. The number of ways arranging one ball in each box is, see here total 9 boxes are there. 1, 2, 9 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here in 9 boxes, each boxes only one ball is fitted. Then here 5 balls cannot fit in 3 small boxes. That means here these 3 are very small boxes. Then remaining how many boxes are there? This is 6 boxes. The 6 boxes we have to fill how many balls? 5 balls. Then this can be filled 5p 5. Then remaining how many balls are there? 4 balls are there. Here already 5 balls filled, then remaining 4 balls are there. In this set 4 here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 we can fix. Here also 1 box empty and this is remaining 3 boxes are empty. Total 4 boxes are there. Here total 4 boxes. In these 4 boxes this 3 is small. This 3 is small. But how many balls are there? Here 3 small means here 3 boxes. 3 balls. It is not fitted. Then remaining 1 ball can be fitted in these 4 boxes. Means here 4 factorial. Then 6p 5 into 4 factorial. This is the answer. 6p 5 into 4 factorial. Next question, the sum of integers from 1 to 100 that are divisible by 2 or 5. Here the numbers are divisible by 2. Here 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus up to so on. Last number is 90. 1 to 100. Then you can take here 100 also. Here 100. Next one is plus. Here which are divisible by 5. Here 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus up to so on. 100. This is also divisible by 5. And here common is there. 2 and 5 means here 10 also there. 10 plus 20 plus up to so on 100. This one you have to subtract. Now here some of the n terms here n means here total 50 are there. 1, 2 table 250. Here 50 by 2 into first one plus last one. And plus here pi. Here how many times? 20. 20 times is 100. 20 by 2 into 5 plus 100 minus here total 10. 10 by 2 into 10 plus 100. Now see here. Here this is the 50 by 2 into this is 102 by 2. Then 2 ones are 250 ones are. Plus here also 2 tens are 20. Then this is 105. Minus this is 5 into 110. Now you have to multiply. Here 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. Plus here this is 1050 minus 550. Now this is 3000, 500, 600 minus 550. Then here 0, here 5, here this is 0, 3, 3050. Second option. Next question, the number of ways in which 6 men and 5 women can done at random a round table if no 2 men and to sit together in given by. See here, this is the round table. First we have to arrange the 6 men. Here round table 6 men 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means here round means you have to arrange here n minus 1 factorial. Here 6 minus 1 factorial is equal to 5 factorial. Mans can be arranged 5 factorial. Again you have to arrange the 5 of them the women's. 1 here woman, here woman, here 1 woman, here total how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here there 6p, here 6 places are there, here 5 members, 6p5. Then 6p5 means here 6 factorial. Here total is 5 factorial into 6 factorial. This is second option. Next one, how many words can be found with the word mathematics by rearranging them? Here mathematics total how many letters are there? Total 11 letters can be arranged 11 factorial. Next one is here repetition is m how many times? 2 times. Next one a is 2 times. Next one is t is 2 times. This is the answer. Rearrange words. Okay, next problem. There are 6 periods in each working days of a school. Find the number of ways in which 5 subjects can be arranged if each subject is allotted at least 1 period and no period remains vacant. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, total 6 periods. How many subjects? Here 5 subjects. Here 5 subjects means here 5 subjects. Here compulsory one more subject is you have to give 2 times twice. Then suppose here number of here subjects A, B, C, D, E, 5 subjects. Here first period you have to give here A is 2 times. 2 times means total 6 factorial by repetition is 2 times. This is A. Okay, here A is repetition as given. Suppose B as given A, B, B, C, D, E. This like as given means B also here 6 factorial by 2 factorial. This like total how many subjects? 5 subjects are there. Then 5 times into 6 factorial by 2 factorial. Here 5 into 6 factorial is 720 by here 2. 2 ones are 2, 360s are. Then 500, 56 are 30, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 1800. Next question is statements. 1. The number of permutations that can be made using all letters of the word DEPTHI. DEPT is 360. And statement 2 is the number of permutations of the n things taken all at a time when p of them are all alike and rest of all different is n factorial by p factorial. Here 4 options as given. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 also true, and statement 2 is the correct explanation for the statement 1. Next option is statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true, and statement 2 is okay. Next option is given. This like 4 options, but here only I take the first option. This is correct option. See here DEPTHI 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters. Here 7 factorial by here repetition is here. This is 2 letters, 2 factorial. Here 7 factorial means here 6 factorial 720 7 into 720 by 2. 2 ones are 2 360s are 2 360. DEPTHI. Here DEPT. Here wrong as given. Actually 1 minute. Actually here DEPTI as given. That's why here 360 is correct. 360 is correct. Now here total 6 letters 6 factorial by here repetition is 2 letters 6 factorial 720 by here 2 factorial 2. Then it is 360 correct. Here 360 is correct. Then this is the second one is correct explanation for the first one. Okay, next problem 1 by 3 into 1 factorial plus 1 by 4 into 2 factorial plus 1 by 5 into 3 factorial up to so on infinite as given. Now we have to find this value here. 1 by 3 into 1 factorial plus 1 by 4 into 2 factorial plus 1 by 5 into 3 factorial up to so on infinite as given. See here difference is how much? Here 2 as given, here also 2 as given, uniform as given, no problem. But you have to multiply here 2 by here 2, 3 into 2 into 1 factorial. Next here you have to multiply here 3 by 3, here 4 into 3 into 2 factorial. Here you have to multiply it by 4 by divided by 4, here 5 into 4 into 3 factorial up to so on infinity. Now see here, this one is right as 3 minus 1 you can write here. This is 3 into 2 factorial, 1 factorial is here 3 factorial, and this is right as 4 minus 1 by, this is 3 2s, 3 4s are 12, 12 into 2, 24 means here 4 factorial. Next one, this is 4 5s are 20, 20 into 3 factorial 6, 120 means 5 factorial. This one is right as 5 minus 1 by 5 factorial up to so on. See, now you can write here separately 3 by 3 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial, plus here 4 by 4 factorial minus 1 by 4 factorial, plus 5 by 5 factorial minus 1 by 5 factorial up to so on. Listen, here this one is rewrite as 3 by 3 into 2 factorial you have to write here. This is 1 by 3 factorial, plus here this one is write as 4 by 4 into 3 factorial minus 1 by 4 factorial. Again this one is write as 5 by 5 into 4 factorial minus 1 by 5 factorial up to so on infinite. Here 3 3 cancel, here 4 4 cancel, 5 5 cancel. This one is rewrite as here 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial minus 1 by 4 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial up to so on. Okay, here 3 factorial 4 4 5 5 up to so on cancel, then 1 by answer is 1 by 2 factorial is equal to 1 by 2. Answer is first one. Okay, this is the last question in this worksheet, permutation and combination, 25th one. A person wants to buy a car. There are two brands of cars available in the market, and each brand has 3 variant models, and each model comes in 5 different colors. In how many ways she choose a car to buy? See here, this is a car company. Here 2 types of models are there. Here model 1, brands. Brand 1, here brand 2 here. Next one is each brand, here 3 variant colors, 1 2 3. Here also this is also 1 2 3 variant colors are there. Then each one again 5 colors. This is again 5 colors, 1 2 3 4 5. Very easy. First how many brands are there? 2 brands. And how many variants? 3 variants. How many colors? 5. Here a total, here 2 6 are, here 2 6 are, 2 into 3 6, 6 5 are 30. So you can choose 30 ways. Thank you.